Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Devialet Gold Phantom high-end wireless speaker, 4,500 watts and 108 decibels. It's got about 124 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4 out of 5 stars. And if you love high-end powerful speakers, Devialet has other models as well, so check those out. This may be the ultimate wireless speaker. You can hear every detail brought to life with unthinkable clarity and precision by a grade 1 titanium tweeter. It also has indecent power and ultra deep bass, sound in its purest and most essential form. Also, it's finished in fine 22 karat gold. Nice. With a frequency range of 14 Hz to 27,000 Hz, you can hear the crisp highs and feel the deep lows. Connect with Spotify Connect, AirPlay, Bluetooth, UPnP, optical, and analog. The speaker is compact at 14 by 17 by 23 inches, but it weighs in at 28 pounds. Now let me share with you a helpful review from verified purchaser Jay. Very good sound quality, the bass is excellent and well controlled. Listening to the greatest show opening track, one can appreciate the thump from foot stomping and also clearly listen to the vocals of Hugh Jackman. Songs at high volume and low volume sound good. Vocals sound good, clear separation between vocals and instruments. It's a beautiful looking device. Even while playing bass at high volume, there's absolutely no vibration on the speaker body. It looks like Apple made the device. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay A9 4th generation wireless multi-room speaker. And this one's white with oak legs. It's got about 30 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.1 out of 5 stars. You can get this particular model in white with oak legs, as we see here, black with walnut legs, or anthracite with dark oak legs. Cool. And don't forget to check out Bang & Olufsen's other products, as they pair well together, and they make a heck of a good speaker. It has a powerful room-filling sound for any living space thanks to its 7 effective drivers. Active room compensation ensures high-quality sound that suits your speaker placement. You can leave it floor standing or mount it on the wall, whatever suits your style. And there's lots of ways to connect as well, including AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Bluetooth, as well as improved Wi-Fi connectivity. Now let me share with you a fantastic review from A. Raj called Touches Your Soul. A perfect tribute to all music artists who want the listener to critically hear the music straight from all the instruments. Listening to Ravi Shankar brings tears to my eyes, while I also overflow with joy. Every instrument is heard in utmost clarity, right from the vibration of the strings to the reverb of a diaphragm on a drum. You can hear background noises in the recording. Very cool. The Devialet Phantom 2 98 decibel compact wireless speaker, seen here in matte black. It's got about 122 ratings on Amazon with a 4.1 out of 5 stars. It's available on Amazon Prime, free shipping, free delivery, which is nice. And you can also get this iconic speaker in what they call iconic white. Nice. This speaker can crank out a hefty 900 watts, but if you love the Devialet brand and want something just a little scaled back, you can also get it in the 600 watt variety. Still a big sound. It also has high fidelity sound ranging from 18 Hz to 21,000 Hz, so you can feel every note with phenomenal purity and precision. No distortion, no saturation, no background, no nothing. Just audiophile grade playback. And you can connect all your devices seamlessly: AirPlay, Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, UPnP, and optical and analog inputs. The choice is yours. Now let me share with you a review from JC3, a verified purchaser, called Incredible Sound, Unbelievable Customer Service. Great sound quality and really quite incredible for its size. I have a high-end main system of Martin Logan, Past Labs, etc., and as an audiophile for 40 years, and frankly I was dubious considering the size of this, but was pleasantly surprised. Initial setup was very simple and was up and running within 5 minutes. Incredible build quality. Cool looking and definitely a conversation starter. Today we're going to take a look at the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Balance wireless multi-room speaker, seen here in natural oak. Although you can get it in black, silver plus black, and silver plus natural. This high-end beauty has 12 ratings on Amazon with an average of 3.7 out of 5 stars. It weighs in at 4.1 kilograms. It's beautiful to look at and it offers a sophisticated sound experience, as well as different experiences from room filling to focused sound. So you can build your sound system effortlessly, connect Bang & Olufsen multi-room speakers throughout your space to create an unparalleled sound system that brings all rooms together. Included components are the Beosound balance, power cable, quick start guide. It can be stereo paired with the Beoplay M3, Beoplay A9 3rd Gen, Beoplay A9 4th Gen, Beosound balance, and Beosound core. Now let me share with you a frequently asked question about this product. Can you connect multiple balance speakers? And the answer is yes, designed to work with other balance speakers to provide stereo and or multi-room use. Also, second units and thirds are sold by Bang & Olufsen at a discounted price. Cool, that's good to know. And you can get this bad boy on Amazon Prime, which means free delivery and free shipping. So if you're going for a multi-room sound system and want the best of the best, check this out. You're gonna love it.